This is Dr. Daniel Paul, orthopedic surgeon with Easy Orthopedics, and today I'm going to talk about when you should ask for a second surgical opinion. So you may have been told by an orthopedic surgeon that you need surgery, and you may need surgery, but maybe you're thinking, I don't know, do I really need surgery? If you have the thought of, do I really need surgery, I think it would be beneficial for you to seek a second opinion. And you don't have to approach it in a second way. You say, hey, I just want to talk to another doctor before we do this, make sure it's the right thing to do. Any surgeon who's a reasonable human being, and a lot of us aren't, will say that's fine. Go ask someone to see if it's reasonable. Because if they're doing the surgery for the right reason and they see another orthopedic surgeon, that person's going to also agree that it's done for the right reason. And asking for a second opinion, what it does is it prevents you from getting an unnecessary surgery by seeing another surgeon who's not going to make money off the surgery. So I think it's a worthwhile thing. But, when asking for a second opinion, just kind of go with your gut. If you like your surgeon and you trust him, then you don't feel like you need one, then you probably don't. But if you're getting weird vibes from your surgeon, maybe they're cold, maybe they didn't talk to you, maybe you never even saw the surgeon, you saw the PA, it may be worth you getting a second opinion. I always like to see every patient before I operate on them. Some surgeons will have their mid-level see them and then book them. That's not what I like to do. If you're in that instance, I would encourage you to seek a second opinion. I mean, I've been in a case before where a surgeon was operating and the question was, why are we operating on this lady? He goes, I don't know, the nurse practitioner booked it. You want to avoid things like that. I've seen a lot of that. But yeah, if you like your surgeon, you have a good relationship, you probably don't need one. If you don't feel like you don't, or you haven't actually seen the surgeon, it might not be a bad idea for you to get one, and just say it respectfully, like, I think what you're saying sounds reasonable. I'll probably end up doing it. I would just like to get a second opinion first, just to see what someone else says. And like I said, if they're a reasonable surgeon and human being, they'll have no problem with that. If they're not, well, maybe that's a red flag. So I hope I was able to answer your questions about when to ask for a surgical second opinion. If you have any questions I didn't answer, feel free to leave them in the comments below, although I can't respond to your specific medical situations because that's essentially giving medical advice, which I can't do over YouTube. If you like this video, we put out new content weekly, so please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.